would like to express my best wishes at the occasion of 50th anniversary of the IESL digital newsletter. I hope in future more of our members will contribute to the SLEN by way of providing more technical articles, engineering fraternity to enhance their knowledge. Once again, wish you all the best.
I am delighted to join with the members of ISL at the celebration of the 50th release of Digital SLEN. 7 or more years have passed since the first Digital SLEN was released somewhere in 2013. I am proud to witness the success story of the Digital SLEN as the first editor who did compose 24 releases and then stepped down in 2016. I remember this was a new experience when the proposal came from the president in 2012-13, Engineer Tilak De Silva, and that concept was supported by the present president-elect, Engineer Arjuna Manamperi. At this moment, I remember 4 past presidents, Engineer Tilak De Silva, Engineer Shavindranath Fernando, Engineer Dr. S.B. Vijayakon, and Engineer Vimalasena Gamage. I would like to thank them for giving me the freedom and the courage to continue with this Digital SLEN. I wish all the success and more readability of the Digital SLEN in the years to come. I believe under the leadership of Engineer Suran Fernando, the Digital SLEN will continue to play an increasing role among the engineering community.
As a former editor of Sri Lanka Engineering News, during the period of 2016, 17 and 18, I had the chance of publishing 12 editions of SLEN. They were in the form of digital and paper-based. During this period, the engineering profession of Sri Lanka had been facing a lot of challenges. So, as the premier engineering magazine, we had to do several things to educate the engineering fraternity. So, there are a lot of discussion happening, and we have to educate our own engineers as well as the decision makers. So, in this regard, the SLEN magazine had to do a lot of things. We started to distribute SLEN magazine to the head of institutions, the parliamentarians, as well as all public libraries during this period. This enabled us creating a lot of dialogue between the top decision makers in the country. So at this issuance of 50th SLEN issue, I'm one of the happiest people, and I wish the current editorial team and the publishing team to make this SLEN a very successful newsletter and a communication medium to educate our engineering community as well as the whole community in Sri Lanka.
First of all, I must congratulate and thank for new editor and sub-editor for taking over the duties of the SLEN. The SLEN is at the step of rapid transition. Therefore, at this specific juncture, the voice of ISL, the newsletter, has a role to play. At this special moment, I would like to emphasize the great things done by previous editors. I also try to add some values to the SLEN during the period of last 2 years. Further, with the guidance of the ISL Council, we made a big change to the SLEN. We have introduced a new layout along with new features. We introduced a mechanism for the ISL members, including student members, to receive a text message consisting the link of Digital SLEN to their mobile phones. Finally, as a former editor, as a member of ISL, as a citizen of this great country, I would like to convey my best wishes to SLEN present editors. Not only that, there are few persons behind the screen, that is members from ISL Secretariat staff. I know how hard they work to make this a success. While congratulating SLEN for the 50th issue and way forward to deliver great service to the engineering fraternity, I would like to wish all the best for our members as well. Please become a great leader and create opportunities in the society by creating leaders. Good luck.
SLEN, Sri Lanka Engineering News, the digital version of the official newsletter of ISL. Since 2013, it has been a long way. Today, after 8 years, we celebrate its 50th gold publication. At this moment, we couldn't forget the key contributors who made SLEN what it is today. Thanks to the previous editors, article writers, and the technical team, Slen has improved a lot, issue after issue, year after year. I'm glad and honored to be the editor of Slen, of this landmark 50th publication. We are determined to make improvements to its content, its technology, and its look. I take this opportunity to request all ISL members to contribute to Slen in whatever way you can. Let Slen be the voice of ISL that holds its membership together and push this country towards the right direction. Thank you.